Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to be talking about why Hollywood is protesting against AI. As you know, AI is becoming increasingly sophisticated, and it's starting to have a major impact on the entertainment industry. For example, AI can now be used to generate scripts, write music, and even create realistic digital doubles of actors. This has some people in Hollywood worried. They're concerned that AI could eventually replace them, and they're also worried about the impact that AI could have on the quality of entertainment. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the reasons why Hollywood is protesting against AI. We'll also discuss the potential impact of AI on the entertainment industry. So, why is Hollywood protesting against AI? Here are a few reasons. Fear of job loss. The fear of job loss is one of the biggest concerns for Hollywood in the age of AI. AI is already being used to automate many tasks in the entertainment industry, such as writing scripts, creating music, and editing videos. This has led to fears that AI will eventually replace many human jobs in Hollywood. There are a few reasons why people in Hollywood are worried about job loss due to AI. First, AI is becoming increasingly sophisticated. AI-generated content is becoming more and more realistic, and it is becoming difficult to distinguish between human-made and AI-made content. This means that AI is becoming a more viable option for studios and production companies, as it can save them money on labor costs. Second, AI is becoming more affordable. The cost of AI technology is decreasing, making it more accessible to studios and production companies. This means that AI is becoming a more realistic option for smaller projects, which could lead to job losses for people who work on these types of projects. Third, AI is not limited by the same physical constraints as humans. AI can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it does not need to take breaks or vacations. This means that AI can be used to produce more content in less time, which could lead to job losses for people who work in the entertainment industry. The fear of job loss due to AI is a real concern for many people in Hollywood. However, it is important to remember that AI is not going to replace all human jobs in the entertainment industry overnight. AI will likely continue to automate many tasks in the entertainment industry, but it is also likely to create new jobs that require human creativity and ingenuity. The key for people in Hollywood is to adapt to the changing landscape and to develop the skills that will be needed in the age of AI. Quality concerns. Another concern that people in Hollywood have about AI is that it could have a negative impact on the quality of entertainment. AI-generated content can sometimes be very formulaic and predictable. It's also possible that AI could be used to create content that is offensive or harmful. There are a few reasons why people in Hollywood are worried about the quality of AI-generated content. First, AI is still under development. AI algorithms are trained on massive datasets of text and code, but these datasets can be biased or incomplete. This means that AI-generated content can sometimes reflect the biases of the dataset it was trained on. Second, AI is not creative in the same way that humans are. AI algorithms can generate text that is grammatically correct and factually accurate, but they cannot come up with new ideas or concepts. This means that AI-generated content can sometimes be very predictable and boring. Third, AI is not subjective in the same way that humans are. AI algorithms cannot understand the nuances of human language and culture. This means that AI-generated content can sometimes be offensive or harmful. The quality concerns about AI are valid, but it is important to remember that AI is still in its early stages of development. As AI technology continues to improve, it is likely that the quality of AI-generated content will also improve. It is also possible that AI will be used to complement human creativity, rather than replace it. Intellectual property concerns. Intellectual property is a hot topic in the entertainment industry, and AI is only adding to the complexity. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it is becoming increasingly difficult to determine who owns the IP rights to AI-generated content. There are a few different ways that IP rights could be assigned to AI-generated content. One possibility is that the IP rights would belong to the person or entity that created the AI algorithm. Another possibility is that the IP rights would belong to the person or entity that used the AI algorithm to generate the content. It is also possible that the IP rights would be shared between the creator of the AI algorithm and the person or entity that used the AI algorithm to generate the content. The issue of IP rights for AI-generated content is still being debated, and there is no clear consensus on how it should be handled. However, it is important to address this issue sooner rather than later, as AI is becoming more and more prevalent in the entertainment industry. So, those are just a few of the reasons why Hollywood is protesting against AI. It's clear that AI has the potential to disrupt the entertainment industry in a major way. It will be interesting to see how Hollywood adapts to this new technology in the years to come. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.